Hello, are you ready to read? This book is called Nubs. That's the dog's name. What's this book about? It's about a dog and a military man and how they became friends. This dog lived far, far away, not in America, far away. This dog's ears had been cut off. The dog didn't have a house. He lived all alone out in the wilderness. There were a lot of dogs that lived out in the desert. They were all alone with no house. But guess what happened? There was some army trucks that drove in. And the dogs got excited. They saw a man walking towards them. But look over here. You see this dog? It walked up to the man slowly. It was scared and a little bit nervous. And he bent down and started petting it. And they became friends. These two were friends. The dog liked the Marine, who's the military man. The Marine decided to give the dog the name Nubs. Why? Because his ears were nubby looking. So what did the Marine do? He shared his food with the dog. The dog really liked it. Guess what? The man gave him a Pop-Tart. He shared it. He broke it in half. He ate some and shared some. The dog ate it up. He really liked it. That's so silly. So what happened? The Marine went over and gave the dog a belly rub. The dog laid down and he pet the dog. Oh, he really liked that. But it was time to go. The military man got in his truck and had to drive off. What do you think the dog did? He chased it, but he couldn't keep up. The dog was all alone. Bye, friend. So a long time passed. The dog was all alone. The Marine was thinking about the dog. I hope he's okay. I don't know. I haven't seen him. He's too far away. Later, guess what happened? In the month of December, there was snow, and the Marine came back. The dog was excited. All the dogs were excited. But where's Nubs? The Marine looked around. Where's Nubs? Oh, you see the picture? He had a cut on his neck with some blood. So the Marine helped clean his cut and helped him get strong and healthy. The dog got healthy and strong. He was a lot better. So what do you think the dog did? He helped the Marine. When he was keeping watch, he would keep the camp safe and the dog would keep guard with him. Make sure everything was safe. But again, it was time to go. So the Marine got in his truck and they pulled away, and the dog chased and chased. But the truck drove away and the dog was tired. The dog was all alone. Bye, Marine friend. One week passed, 2 weeks passed. And guess what happened? The Marine came back. The trucks drove in and the dog was so excited. The dog, Nubs, kept pawing at his military friend because he wanted to be pet. And the dog kept bugging him. He wanted more and more belly rubs. They were friends. Again, it was time for the Marine to go. He looked at Nubs and said, "Bye, Nubs, love you." He hopped in the truck and drove away. The dog again chased and chased and chased the truck. Oh, but he fell and got tired. Oh, he laid down. He was just so tired. The dog was exhausted. He was all alone. When the truck drove far, far away, you can see up here on the map, it was really far. The dog was laying there and sleeping. When he got up, he decided, I'm gonna follow his smell. I'm gonna go look for my friend. So he looked and looked for his Marine friend, and he walked that far distance. He walked and walked for a whole day. The sun set and the moon rose. He walked some more for a long time. It took him 2 days. The dog walked and walked. Do you think he found his military friend? I don't know. Let's see. Oh! The Marine was walking around and noticed, look, the dog found me. The dog was so excited it ran up to the man and was licking the man. The Marine picked up Nubs, his dog friend. I love you so much, Nubs. So then, what do you think the Marine did? He cooked some food and fed it to the dog. The dog ate it up really quickly. And then the Marine built him a doghouse. The dog really liked his doghouse. He crawled in and laid down and fell right to sleep. So then guess what happened? There was a letter, and it was from the commander that said, "Your dog must go. Nubs must leave. That's not allowed." Oh, the Marine was sad. I want my dog to stay. So he started thinking, my dog needs to go to America, to my house. I need some money first. So he needed to collect money. For what? For Nubs to fly to America. Then guess what happened? They gathered all the money and they sent it away for Nubs to go to America. To go to the Marine's house. So the dog walked with the man and he said, "See you later. Love you." The dog got on a truck and the truck drove to the airport and he hopped on a plane. The dog waited and waited. Soon he finally got on a plane and flew a long ways, just like this map. He flew all the way to where? America. He was going to the Marine's house. The dog finally arrived. He was so excited to be in America. But the Marine wasn't there. Not yet. The dog had to wait and wait and wait. But soon, the Marine flew home. The dog was so excited, he ran up to his friend and licked him and covered him with kisses. "I love you so much." Today, these two, what did they do together? They're friends. They live in the same house. They play outside. They run around. He chases a ball. And they play outside. And sometimes they go swimming. Where do you think? At the beach. These two are good friends. The dog gives lots and lots of kisses, which means, "I love you." The end.